Hello guys, welcome. Today I am going to give you the exercise 1 of chapter 3. In this exercise you have to make a number guessing game. Then how to make a number guessing game? First you have to make a variable like winning number and assign any number to it. Ask user to guess a number. If user guess correctly, first you have to compare the number that user guessed and winning number. If these two numbers are equal, then you print you win. Okay, if user did not guess correct, then there are two possibilities. The number that user guessed is lower than the actual number, then you have to print too low. The second possibility is that the number that user guessed is higher than the actual number, then you print too high. The first thing you can also do that you can Google how to generate a random number in Python programming language. To generate random number and assign the value of the random number in winning variable. I hope you try this exercise. Thank you very much.